Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I want to share with you 3 creative strategies to give your trash can cleaning business the upper hand, and I'll show you exactly how to implement each one of those today. And stick around because the third one is a secret that 99% of your competition isn't using yet. That is until they see this video. In the first video we did on this topic, we talked about 3 ways to increase the profits of your trash can cleaning business. Now normally I would link that video right here, but I want you to stick around and watch today's video in its entirety. We're gonna dive a little bit deeper, but first, let's give you a quick tip that you can implement right now. Have you ever stopped to think about how your customer reviews are affecting your business? Well, a Harvard study found that a 1-star increase to your Yelp rating can increase revenue by 5 to 9%. Be sure to ask your happy customers for reviews. It's simple, it's free, and it can have a big impact on your business. If you like these quick tips and want to see me add them to more of our videos, be sure to let me know down in the comments. And if you're getting value out of the video, drop us a like and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, let's jump right in. My goal today is to get you thinking a little bit more creatively about how you can set your can cleaning business apart from your competition. And let's face it, due to the explosion of can cleaning businesses, even just this last year, you're probably going to be seeing a lot of it. Even if you're the first can cleaner on your block, these tips are going to make it very hard for your customers to ever consider going with anyone else, which leads us right into the first strategy. When you finally do land a customer, there's 2 critical things that need to happen. First, you need to create a loyal customer. And second, you need to encourage repeat business, both of which can be accomplished with the customer loyalty program. Now, a loyalty program in simple terms is just a way of rewarding your customers for being customers. And the simplest form of a loyalty program is a point system or by using punch cards. We've all seen these before. You take a punch card and after so many services, say 5 or 6 cans, then the 7th one is free. Where you set this number is up to you, but a good rule of thumb is to make sure that you're selling at least enough services to cover the lost margin of that free service you provide. Punch cards build loyalty because once customers start to see progress towards a free offer, it makes it hard to resist calling to get their cans clean. And better yet, your business name is on the front and center of the card. So when your customers are 2 or 3 cans away from that free cleaning, you know who they're going to be calling. Next on the list is a referral program. Encourage your clients to refer your service to others by offering them a discount, or better yet, a free can cleaning for every client that they bring in. This practice is something that even the largest companies in the world follow, and for good reason. Here at Everest, we even have our own referral program that pays cash for referring paying customers to our store, and it can serve as a great secondary revenue stream for any business. I'll link that down in the description below. And as a side note, check out this video we did right here on passive income. The nice thing about referrals is they have the potential to lead to long-term new clients. Clients who you can use these same strategies on. You see where I'm going with this? You can see how quickly that these techniques can snowball into consistent new business. Before we get to the last strategy, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. This community is all about helping cleaning businesses of all kinds grow. So if you have tips or strategies that work for you, be sure to let us know down in the comments. Okay, now before I share the 3rd strategy, we need to mention a little disclaimer. And I mentioned this in our last video, but this strategy is for those who are looking to take their business to the next level and maximize profitability in a booming industry. If you're happy with where your business stands, that's fine. The things we talked about up until now are going to take you a long way. But keep in mind that there's always someone out there who's hungrier than you. And if you let them, they'll be happy to run with all of these strategies and potentially take your clients. Differentiators are what make us stand apart, and every differentiator counts, especially in this industry. All right, all that being said, the 3rd strategy is to provide value in ways that no one else can match. On the surface, that may sound like a large undertaking, but with the right differentiator and the right messaging, you won't just set yourself apart, but you'll dramatically increase the profits of your can cleaning business. Okay, are you ready for that differentiator? We're not just talking about cleaning trash cans here. That's what every Johnny can cleaner is doing. We're talking about going a step further and providing a unique, value-added service that directly addresses a common pain point for your clients: lingering can odors. Your secret weapon? An antimicrobial protectant that's applied to the trash cans after they're cleaned. This protects them against odor-causing bacteria, keeping your clients' cans fresher for longer. Now that's a game changer. With this differentiator, you're not just cleaning cans, you're providing a long-lasting solution to a problem that every trash can owner faces. Check out our own no-cinch odor prevention solution down in the description below. By adding this to your offering, you're taking your service from a luxury to a necessity and allowing yourself to increase the profits of your can cleaning business all at the same time. The key to leveraging this differentiator lies in how you apply it and how you communicate the benefits. In this video here, we show you exactly how to market this unique selling proposition to bring in new customers and maximize your can cleaning business profits. Be sure to check that video out right here, and we'll see you in the next one.